Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Actual Biology. Today we will discuss about the GPCR signaling. Before this I completed the GPCR phosphodiesterase signaling pathway about basics. Okay, so you can check into the description box. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the signaling pathway of GPCR phosphodiesterase signaling pathway. Okay, so we can say also the vision pathway. Okay, vision pathway means how our eyes work. Okay, how our eyes work, and there are the different types of cells in our retina of our eyes. So these what is the work of these cells. Okay, so there are the two types of photoreceptors in the retinas of eye. First is occur in rod cells, and second is occur in cone cells. Okay, so what is the difference in between these cells? Rod cells are the cells which is activated in the dark situation. Okay, so what is cone cells? Cone cells are activated in the light situations. Okay, when lights are coming, cone cells are also activated. Okay, so cone cells is responsible to see the vision of we can say color vision. Okay, so different types of color visions are responsible for the cone cells. Okay, so what is the signaling pathway? So this is the first step of our phosphodiesterase, or we can say the vision pathway. Okay, so first, rhodopsin. So what is rhodopsin? Rhodopsin is a light absorbing pigment which is present in the integral membrane. Okay, so this is the whole cell of rod cell. Okay, we can say rod cell. This is rod cell. Okay, so where is rhodopsin present? Rhodopsin is present at the integral membrane of rod cells. Okay, so rhodopsin, it is a 7 membrane transmembrane GPCR protein. Okay, which is present in integral membrane. Okay, this is rhodopsin protein. When light comes, this is the first situation, light comes. Okay, so what will happen when the light come? GPCR get converted into the we can say rhodopsins get converted into the 11 cis retinol and then 11 trans retinal. Okay, so all these I completed. You can check into the description box. Okay, so in last lecture I also completed this all pathway. Okay, so how rhodopsins make 11 transretinal or 11 cis transretinal, all this. Okay, so what is, okay, so when the situation is light come, okay, when the light come, the GPCR, we can say rhodopsin proteins get activated. Rhodopsins gets convert into the 11 cis retinal and then convert into 11 transretinal. Okay, this 11 transretinal get means activated the transducin. What is transducin? Transducin is another proteins which is embedded into the integral membrane, or we can say the transducin proteins get attached nearby the rhodopsin protein. Okay, so transducin is in heterotrimeric protein. Okay, this is made up of 3 different types of subunits, GT alpha, GT beta, GT gamma. Okay, so here we are using word transducin here. Okay, so G alpha, GT alpha, GT gamma, GT beta. Okay, so here when the light, in the absence of light, here the GDP bound situations. Okay, when the absence of light, GT alpha get bounded with the GDP. Okay, when the light comes, when the lights come, 11 transretinal get converted into the GDP, get converted into the GTP. Okay, so after the boundation of GTP here, G alpha gets separated. We can say GT alpha gets separated from the GT gamma and GT beta. Okay, so here is GT alpha protein. Okay, GT alpha protein bounded with GTP here. Okay, so it will convert, or we can say it will activate the phosphodiesterase enzyme. Phosphodiesterase enzyme is embedded into the integral membrane also. Okay, so here is what is the work of phosphodiesterase enzyme. It will get CGMP gets converted into the GMP. Okay, so this is the work of phosphodiesterase enzyme. Okay, so here, so what will happen here, the CGMP gated channel is present. Okay, what is the work of CGMP gated ion channel? It is the work, the calcium, it is responsible, the sodium ions gets we can say influx of sodium ions. Okay, so it is CGMP gated channel, CGMP gated channel, but in this situations here is CGMP gets decreased. Okay, so here the CGMP get decrease, we can say decrease of CGMP. Okay, decrease of CGMP. After the decreasation of CGMP, the CGMP gated ion channels get closed. This channel gets closed, so then the sodium ions will not enter into the cytoplasm. Okay, this ion channels is present on the plasma membrane. It is plasma membrane of the cell. Okay, this is plasma membrane. So CGMP gated sodium ion channels present on the plasma membrane. Okay, so here is the decreasation, we can say decrease the sodium ions. Okay, decrease the sodium ions. So here the situation is hyperpolarization. So hyperpolarization means the hyperpolarization of plasma membrane. It means the it will convert into minus 90 MV. Okay, it will convert into minus 90. It means the whole at the situation of hyperpolarization, so calcium ions channels also get closed. Okay, so after the closing of calcium ion gets channel closed, because calcium is also entered into this pathway. Okay, calcium also enter into this pathway. So here is this also at the situation of hyperpolarization, calcium also not entered into the cytoplasm. Okay, so there is no release of glutamate, and these situations cause the vision. Okay, this situation cause the vision. So this is the first situation when the light comes, how vision takes place. Okay, but in second case, when the lights not coming, or we can say in dark situation, what will happen? Okay, so we can say when the situations of dark, when the in dark situation there is no activation of rhodopsin protein. So no activation of rhodopsin proteins means there is no activation of transducin protein. Okay, so there is no production of transducin protein means the phosphodiesterase enzyme gets blocked, or we can say it will not working in the dark situation. Okay, so in the dark situation, CGMP means CGMP formations will takes place. Okay, so CGMP concentration of CGMP gets high into the cytoplasm. Okay, so here is also an enzyme present in the integral membrane protein. What is this enzyme? Guanylyl cyclase. Guanylyl cyclase is responsible for the CGMP, making the CGMP. So here is when guanylyl cyclase is activated in the situation of when the calcium gets decreased, then this guanylyl cyclase get activated and CGMP get GMP get converted into CGMP, and CGMP means CGMP formation of CGMP means the CGMP gated sodium ions get open. Okay, so here is influx of sodium ions. Influx of sodium ions gets depolarization. I am just telling here in the situations of dark. Okay, in dark situation here is no hyperpolarization takes place, here is depolarization takes place, and in the depolarization situations calcium also get entered into the cells. Okay, calcium gets also entered into the cells and release of glutamate ions. Okay, they, and release of glutamate ions means there is no vision. Okay, so we can say this is the situation of visions. Okay, because there is no release of glutamate, because calcium ions concentration is decreased into the cells. Okay, so this is the overall process in the presence of light and presence of dark. Okay, so why we are not able to see into the dark, this is the main we can say this is the reason, because there is release of glutamate. Release of glutamates means no vision. Okay, so this is the overall process of vision pathway. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Okay, so if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.